Alright, so here we're going to try to find our nth term of geometric sequence. Your formula that you're going to want to use is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Once again, r is your common ratio, a sub 1 is your first term, a sub n is your nth term, and n is your number of terms you're looking for. So whenever you know your nth term of a sequence, you can find the n plus 1th term just by multiplying by r. So that means if you know like your 3 to find your 9, you just multiply your r, your ratio, or your first term by your r. So here we're going to find our first 5 terms of our geometric sequence. So we need to find a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. So when we do that, we already know it gives us a sub 1 is 2. Well, fantastic. And it tells us our r is 4. So if we know a previous term, this is kind of like a recursive sequence. If we know that this is a 2, then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to multiply it just by 4. So 2 times 4 gives us this lovely 8. And in order to find our third term, well, if you know that you have an 8, you can multiply that by 4. So 8 times 4 is going to give us a 32. Then we're going to have to take 32 times 4. So we multiply 32 times 4, you get a solid 128. And then when you finally multiply 128 by a 4, that is going to give you a 512. 512. That's like how much money I make a day. Some of you guys are going to be dreaming of making the cash flow I make. I know. We all want to be teachers. So there is how you can just use your ratio if you know a previous term to